Rhapsody Afghan Crochet Along, part of the Crochet Skill Builders program. This is our final episode, number 6. And last week we worked rows 32 to 39, and today we are ready to work the border. Join along today and work a swatch to learn this great looking border, as well as a lot of useful info about weaving in ends, blocking, and more. And a big thanks to Red Heart Yarn for supplying the colorful yarn called Soft used in this crochet along. I hope you will upload a photo of your progress on this Afghan. The upload tab is right under this video player. Grab your hook and let's get started.